So here's a little quick update on something I'm working on. This is an 02 WRX that I bought from my brother maybe 8-9 years ago. And he bought it brand new in 2001, the same week that I bought my blue WRX, which is kind of up there in the upper garage here in Portland. And then I bought it from him because he wasn't driving it much. And it only has 43,000 miles on it. So relatively low mileage for a 23, almost 24-year-old car. It's an interesting car. You know, it's modified in sort of the way a WRX would have been modified in about 2005, 2006. So I've taken some of the parts off. It had an APS intercooler, which is one of the very early intercoolers from Australia. And it had Wilwood 6-pot brakes, which is one of the first Wilwood kits that came out for the WRX. I pulled those apart because the calipers need to be rebuilt. There's little rubber seals in there that need to be replaced and just cleaned up. So I'll take those apart and clean them up and rebuild them. And then also new rotors. And the rotors are separate from the aluminum hats. And the rotors are attached to the hats with these bolts, which are a stainless bolt into aluminum, which is terrible because they'll corrode like crazy. And they also have a thread locker compound on them. And so, of course, in getting them off, I had 3 of them snap. They were quite challenging to remove. One of the rotors I was able to get completely. This one, I got that one out, but this one is still got some material stuck in there that I can't get out. So I will try to drill that out. I may drill it and retap it, or I may helicoil it, depending on if I have enough room in there or not. And if that doesn't work, then I'll just get a new hat, because you can buy the hat still. So we'll do that and get the brakes all rebuilt. On the rear, it has rear STI brakes from the Japanese car, and the reason is because the drivetrain, it has a 6-speed in it, which normally this has a 5-speed, and so it's a JDM 6-speed from a Spec C car in Japan, and so it has also the rear R180 diff from that car, and it has the Japanese gears, which are super, super low ratio, so they're really close together. Engine-wise, it's the stock, WRX EJ205 engine. There is a little VF35 turbo, which is an upgraded turbo, very similar to the one on the STI, a little smaller turbine size, a little faster spool. I think this has the STI pink injectors, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, which are like the famous early injectors you could get from the STI. And I think it has a downpipe and a catback exhaust. And that's really about it. It's tuned on... It was tuned on Ecotech, but I just flashed it before. It's not just tuned with open source. But yeah, so it's kind of like what you'd expect to see in sort of the 2005 era in a WRX. But it is 23, almost 24 years old, so it needs a little attention. So I'm going to rebuild the brakes. I'll probably replace the front and rear wheel bearings while I have it apart. Maybe change some joints out and a few other things. I'm going to pull out the radiator and change the timing belt, because the timing belt is still the original timing belt. It's only 43,000 miles, but it is 24 years. So I suspect the timing belt's in relatively bad shape. And of course, on these cars, if they pop, you'll often have a valve collide with something, which is not good. There's also an oil leak down in the valve cover, which happens to like all of these cars. So I'll pull the valve covers off and put on new gaskets. And maybe just clean up the engine bay a little bit. But other than that, though, the body's in fantastic condition, especially for a car of this age. And the interior is in great condition. So it'll be good to get it cleaned up a little bit. I also have some teen coilovers that are sitting in a box over there somewhere that I'll put on, because those are the stock struts that are quite old and soft. And so that's what I'm working on right now. We're just going to get this rebooted a little bit. So fun for now.